What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT. Today we're underneath this 2008 Acura TSX, and we have this little guy right here that is basically stuck in place. You can see I was using the O2 socket remover and it's still stripped. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some heat on this thing, really let that heat penetrate in there, get things loose. We're probably gonna have to cut this wire and put a wrench on it to be able to move that thing around. Hopefully we still have something to bite on here, but we're gonna go ahead and do that and hopefully be able to get this thing out. So as you can see, it's actually working. So the first time I heated it up for about maybe 2 minutes. Second time I did a nice long heat for about 5 minutes. We're gonna keep this hammer to it until we get it off. There it is. It's out. Now when you're putting on your replacement sensor, make sure you get some anti-seize lubricant on there so that in the future you won't have this issue. So now you can see how you get this off. Some WD-40, a lot of heat, some patience, and boom, we got it off. It's your boy BT. I think we're done with this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.